Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk to you about a hair dryer. That is extremely important, and I want to put you on to the one that changed my hair life. Okay, so let's get started. I am definitely going to be as detailed as possible in explaining how it works. So yes, let's just jump right into the video. This is the hair dryer. Right? And it has this like hose, and then this piece right here. So I bought it in purple. Purple is a happy, nice color. So I try to, do something different. I love purple though. I love purple, but I really love pink. But of course, it wasn't available in pink. So I went with purple. Purple is cute. Purple is cute. So besides purple, they have it available in black and they have it available in blue. The blue is really pretty too. So check it out. I'm definitely going to put the link below. You know, I don't gatekeep. I share my resources with everyone, especially if it works so good for me. Why not share it? So definitely, I'll put the link below. If you see me looking down, it's because I get too excited and then I forget everything that's important to say. So in order to prevent that, I wrote some notes, okay? So this hair dryer has a bonnet. It has a bonnet, like it says it's a bonnet hair dryer with a headband integrated that reduces heat around ears and neck. So I wanted to say it exactly how it says it on Amazon, because every word counts. Is a very like specific title, so I'm just trying to give it the value that it deserves. But it definitely doesn't lie about reducing heat around the ears and neck. You're not gonna feel like when you go to the salon and you're like, oh man, this heat, I can't take it. Like, how is it gonna be that it's half an hour left? Like, how am I gonna make it through? I know your earrings be burning up and all of that. I don't know if y'all had that experience, but those dryers in the hair salons be very powerful. So this is not like it. So it definitely is saying the truth when it says reduces the heat around the ears and the neck. I definitely haven't had like a situation like I'm like ooh. No. I don't be feeling like that. So it definitely says like it speeds up drying time. And I agree. And I know y'all probably gonna be like, in your last video, it says that it takes you mentioned that it takes about like 4 hours to dry your hair. So first off, I just want to remind you, I do put a lot of product in my hair. Remember, everyone's hair is different and do what works for you. Putting a lot of product in my hair, it makes me feel like it's well moisturized and it is going to be shiny at the end. So this is the rollers dried, right? And it looks very moisturized and healthy, right? So that's my thing. And then I have thick hair, so I feel like I do have to apply like a lot of product, right? So that's my thing, and that's why it takes so long. But in comparison, let me tell y'all something so you could feel better about my situation, because I feel better about my situation. So with this being said, right, I definitely dived in deeper into my natural hair journey in the pandemic. Remember, everybody was home in the pandemic. So this roller set took like an hour and a half. Wait. I said an hour and a half. You already know it did not take an hour and a half. A day and a half to dry. A day or a day and a half to dry completely. Remember, these styles, you really need to put like importance in letting it dry completely, right? So that's very important. If it's not fully dry, it's gonna look not too good, right? Like in the scalp area. So why I keep saying an hour? A day and a half, right? Pandemic time compared to 4 hours or 3 hours and a half. I'll take it. I'll take what's less, So this made a difference. And in the camera, if you see little like if you see brown stains when I'm showing it and stuff, it's the makeup, okay? Well, I don't think you really see. Oh, okay, look, a little spot right there. So it's today's makeup that did it, but I'm definitely gonna wipe it off. Like clean it or whatever after this video. But let me tell you, let me see if I said everything in my intro. Okay, so with that being said, right? A day and a half versus 3 or 4 hours, right? I'll take the 3 or 4 hours. So also, another thing, I know if y'all seen my other twist out videos, I used to, that takes like over a day to dry. So if I have to, like last year or whatever, if I had to go to work and step out and stuff, I'll make a cute style out of it or leave it loose and would step out like that so it could really dry. Now that I live in Florida, I could do stuff like that because of the weather. When I lived in New York, it was cold at times, so I couldn't step out with my hair wet or damped or anything like that because I was trying to avoid getting sick. So those are the differences. That is my intro. Now I feel like I didn't forget anything, right? Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you how I put it on my head and connect all of this. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, so look, this is my worry. I'm like, oh man, like, did I do too much rollers? Is it gonna fit? Yes, it will definitely fit. You just have to like situate it, You just have to put it in a good place and everything will fit. Okay, so let's get started because I'm excited as usual. Okay, so this is how you put it on at first, right? And then you tuck everything away. Okay, so you don't have to use this, I noticed, but if you do, you could. If you feel like it's uncomfortable to put it like the right way, supposedly, like in the front, then you can place it in the back of your head, right? You could place it in the back, right? And clip it. I'm just trying to like look at y'all while I do this. Okay, you could place it in the back and clip it, right? Let me not do it so that I can see ya. Okay, and then if not, then just tuck it in, okay? So that's what I did earlier today. Just tuck it in. Okay, you see how all the rollers are tucked in? There's nothing peeking out the sides, you see? Okay, so this is a drawstring on the side, and you can, what is it? Adjust it. I'll be forgetting my words on YouTube. I'll be forgetting my words, honey. Okay. So tuck it in. You see how the drawstring, definitely, like if you don't want it too tight, of course, you'll put it a little looser. Whatever fits your needs, okay? Whatever fits your needs. So that part is done. You see? That part is done. All the rollers fit. I'm going to show you. All the rollers fit. Nothing is peeking, okay? You got the angle, the side angle. And then this part, right? This part right here, it's pretty long and decent size so that you won't have to be too close to the outlet and stuff like that, right? At least it'll give you like, like space to like, okay, I can move. No restrictions, not too much restrictions. And then your blower is going to go to this side of the dryer, right? You're gonna connect it and this strap is gonna go over, okay? So you're gonna connect it, you're gonna put your blower through here, and then this strap over, okay? And then of course, so this is a Revlon blower. It's nothing too fancy or nothing like that. It came with this piece, but I never use it because when I do like wash and goes in my hair, I just let it like dry, like with the fresh air outside and stuff like that, because I'm really trying to prevent like putting heat. But I know a lot of curly girls, they use what's the word? You already know what I'm talking about. They use this. I'm forgetting my words, people. I'm forgetting my words. But yeah, they use this to like dry their curls and stuff like that. But I don't really use it. I haven't really been into it, and I feel like I don't need it. So if you need it, it's fine, you know, but I don't need it. But I just want to mention it, of course, because if you're interested in getting this blow dryer, expect another piece. So this is the piece, right? Okay. So then it has a couple of functions, of course. When I'm drying my hair, I usually don't leave it in like high heat for a very long time. So if I do put high heat, then it's for like a minute or around there, and then I'll put it on cool, and then cool and high power, or high high power. So I play with it from time to time, but I usually like to keep it on high because, you know, all this thick hair has to dry and it takes long. So yeah, that's what I do. It's not a fancy like blow dryer or anything, but it's been doing its job. So, you know, it's been doing its job. It's been drying. It hasn't acted up in my experience. So that's the one I'm using. And I'm not going to get anything fancy because I don't need it right now. It's doing its job. So this is it. It's Revlon. And then, of course, you plug it in, and there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Right? So it's an easy experience. I love it. And what I really enjoy about it is that it's like travel size. So when like the next time I go on vacation, I just purchased this to be specific. I want to be very specific with you guys. So I just purchased this February 8th. And this was definitely a game changer for me. And I be so excited. And I use it like every week. I be so excited to use it. So it's definitely worth every penny. And talking about being worth every penny, it is $15.95. That is a beautiful price for something that's going to change your hair life. I feel like that's a beautiful price. If you agree, let me know in the comments. Remember, I want the comments to be a very engaging, positive space for everyone. So let me know how you feel about this. Let me know how you feel about this. Of course, you can use it for when you deep condition. It'll definitely make it a better experience. And I feel like using heat while you deep condition is a win-win situation, because it's definitely going to penetrate your hair follicles and it's going to do its job. You know what I mean? So let me show you something beautiful, something that is so valuable, right? I like how you can put this in a nice little ball, right? It doesn't take that much space like a traditional dryer. And guess what? It comes in a little cute bag. And let me tell you something. I have a story. You know how good I felt when I balled it all up after using it the first time, and it actually fits. It actually fits. So look at how beautiful. It doesn't take a lot of space, right? It doesn't take a lot of space. And it doesn't remind me. Let me tell you something. When I say I wanted to tell you something, this is what I wanted to tell you. It doesn't remind me of like when you use like an airbag, and then it comes with a little bag and it never fits back in the bag. I never could fit my airbag in the bag that it comes with. And I'm like, is it me? Like, does anybody else go through that? Like, is it me? Is it me? Is it me? Is it me? It never fits, to a point that I'm like, okay, let me just use a garbage bag, a unused, of course, garbage bag, and let me put it in there, because I be like using like 5 minutes and it still don't go in. And I'm like, wait a minute. Y'all didn't measure this right. But look, I say that to say they did the right measurements. And I love how it don't take a lot of space. You know what I mean? So it's a beautiful thing to me. It's been doing me so good in my hair journey. And And yeah, so it's $15.95, right, for the dryer, which I feel like is an amazing price. And the Revlon blower is $33.52. So those are the prices. And then I'll definitely leave the link below. And it's available in purple, black, and blue. So yeah, check it out, check it out, check it out. And I hope that this video helped you in any way, in any way that it helped you, any way that it helped you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. That's it. That's all I had to say. And yeah, if you like this video, comment below, subscribe, share it with someone that would benefit. And this can be an amazing gift, right? To someone in their hair journey. Like, this made me so happy in my hair journey. And I definitely know that if you give it to someone as a gift, it would, it would brighten their day and just make their hair journey a little bit easier. I know it's not easy, ladies, but let's use our resources to make it a little better when we can, when we can. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In conclusion, right? In conclusion. So yes, see you next time. Bye.